Proceed to the large office at the end of the corridor, where an assistant will prepare you for your first visit to the vaults.
The Weasley's wildfire whiz-bangs. Fireworks from my brother's friend George.
Billy, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Lord Ag. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new client the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you.
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cart.
Well, what are we talking about for? Let's get moving. Now, listen to me. The passage to your left will take you to a pair of lifts. The lifts will take you down to the cart station. There you'll board a cart for the journey to the vaults beneath the Gringotts. We'll see you down there. You can clear off now. My patience is running thin.
Be sure to pick up a pair of safety goggles to be worn at all times during your ride.
The defences have been set off. There must be imposters in Gringotts. Bellatrix!
Are you the imposter?
I don't think so, Madam Strange. I can't be sure.
Well, let's try find out then.
They didn't do anything!
Get fucked up to me.
Rip from the
been your fault, Devonshire.
I thought they were brilliant, Muggle.